Hello, I hope you are doing well. So, I'm just gonna show you where I did my project and how I did it. So, I did a project on time series and regression analysis to forecast something. So, basically, I chose this project because all over the course, this was my favorite topic. Mostly because I'm in the field of accounting, and accountants use a lot of stuff to forecast the future inventory sales, like future income, assets, liabilities, and all the stuff. So I think it's a pretty good way to be in your field, and it is not very difficult to do, I would say. So I choose this project, and in a second I'll get the screen for you and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so firstly I did my project on wholesale trades. So wholesale trade sales all over the Canada. So I downloaded the data from January 2017 to April 2023, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna forecast for the next 4 months, that is May 2023 to August 2023. Let's get started. Okay, so firstly I downloaded some source from the Camosun library and went to Statistics Canada. So here is the wholesale trade sales. Okay, so yeah, so what I did is I added and removed some of the data. Okay, so what I did is I chose the Canada as whole, and then I went to Nike. So I chose wholesale trade and didn't do any exceptions. So select wholesale trade, apply, and I got some unadjusted sales. There you go. Okay, so my reference period. So as I earlier told, my reference period was from January 2017 to April 2023. Okay, and I customized the layout. I chose the reference period as row and everything else as columns. Okay, so this is my data. There you go. You can see from here, and it's still 2023 April. So I downloaded this here, and what I end up like is here. Okay, you can see from here, this is my data, and I'm just gonna show for the next quarter from May, June, July, as well as August, what would be the wholesale trade sales. I'll forecast them. So I found the quarterly sales. I summed them all up and then found the quarterly sales till 2023 April. And then what I did is I made a okay. I made a table to make it learn easier. So this is my 2017, 2018 till 2023, and I'm gonna forecast for the second, third, and fourth quarter. Okay, and this is my sales data. So what I did first, as you can see, I took the sales and then I found the moving averages. So why I did this, I can show you right there. So when we see like the line chart for this, insert line chart, you can see it is like, it is still good, not too bad, but we just want to make it more clear and concise. So we want this line to be as straight, as linear as possible. So to do that, I found this moving averages. I'm gonna clear this out first. Okay. So firstly, I found the 4 moving averages. So 4 moving averages is like the average of these 4. You can see from the first one, it's the average of this 4, and the second one, I'm sorry, and the second one, average of next 4. Okay, so to make it more clear, I found the center moving averages. That is the average of these two, these two, these two. And then the next is the ratio moving averages. So the ratio moving averages is found by dividing the sales number by the center moving averages number. So we found this one. So ratio moving averages are good when they are closer to 1. And in our case, most of them are, yes, closer to 1, which looks pretty good. So this is 0.93, which is not too bad. But as you can see, like most of them are closer to 1. Okay, so the next step is seasonal index. So why do we need seasonal index? Okay, we need seasonal index in order to find like seasonally adjusted sales, and through this number we will find the original sales and forecast them. So to find the seasonal index, what I did is I make this little chart over here. So what I did is, this is the ratio moving averages number as we earlier saw. So I copy pasted them with the help of transpose space special. And the next is I found the averages of all quarters, and then I need to find adjusted number. So how do I get this number? Okay, so for this number I got the correction factor here. So correction factor is just 4 divided by the sum of these 4 averages. Once I found the correction factor,